Okay, class. Today we start with a new chapter that is square and square roots. You have dealt with squares earlier, so let's recapitulate what are square numbers. Any number, any natural number, suppose p, that can be expressed as p square, then it is known as a square number. Like for example, 36 is a square number. Why? Because it can be expressed in terms of 6 square. 6 is a natural number, so 6 square. So any number, natural number, which can be expressed as this is a square number. So this 36 is a square number. You have learned square numbers before. But in this class, we will learn squares as well as square roots. Now, before I move on to further, let me tell you what are we going to do in this chapter, squares and square roots. So, I have made a simple division. Look, what are we going to do? The first one is how to calculate squares. We all know how to calculate squares, but still we shall be learning to find out squares of any number, be it a whole number, be it integer, be it a decimal number. We will learn how to calculate squares, or rather we can recapitulate to find out squares. Then how to calculate square roots. Once you learn how to calculate squares, we'll learn how to calculate square roots. Now, square roots, to calculate square roots, there are actually two methods. One method is prime factorization method, another is square root by division method. Then we shall learn what are perfect squares. What is a perfect square? And square root of decimal numbers. So this entire chapter we are going to learn how to calculate squares, then square roots. There are two methods to calculate square roots. One prime factorization method, division method. Then what are perfect squares? We will learn whether a number is a perfect square or not, how to calculate that, how to find out perfect squares, and square root of decimal numbers. So to start with, I have already told you what are square numbers. Now I have given a small chart for all of you to find out squares of any natural numbers. I have started from number 1 and I have stopped at 20. I have made a table. So number 1, square means 1 into 1 is equal to 1. So basically in simple terms, what do we say square? Square means it is actually repetition of the same number. The same number, or we double that number. It is a square. So 1 square. So 1 square means 1 into 1. The same number, it will be repeated again. So it becomes 1. 2. So 2 will be repeated again. So repetition or multiplying by the same number is actually a square. So 2 square means 2 into 2, that is 4. Like that, 3 square means 3 into 3, 9. Similarly, I have written for all the natural numbers till 20. Now, work for you is, you will take a chart paper and from 1 till 40, you will write like this way only. You will write the number as well as square of that numbers in that chart paper. I repeat, you'll take a chart paper, any color chart paper that you are having at home. If you are having at home, very good. Take that chart paper and then very neatly write the squares of natural numbers from 1 till 40. I have written till 20. You will write till 40. And after writing it, you will take a picture of it. You will show it. Or you can do one thing. After writing it, you can stick it to the door of your room or wherever you feel comfortable. Better the door of your room, so that you can see it every day when you wake up in the morning or when you move on in and out of the room. You can see it. So write that squares of the numbers from 1 till 40 very neatly and stick it, and then you can take a picture and show it to me.